Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, my name is Hassan Ali and you are watching Hassan Ali official YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for upcoming latest updates on my channel. So today we will talk about HTML, what is HTML and how we can start front-end programming, front-end web development in HTML. For that you have to come with me and do what I am doing. Okay, so first of all I would like to tell you that we will start this course of HTML in this whole video of about 30 to 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour maximum. So you have to be quiet and just perform whatever I'm doing. In this lecture, I will tell you all about what is HTML, how we do programming in HTML, what are the attributes, what are the elements, what are headings, what are paragraphs, what are anchor links, everything in this. So for that, I will like to tell you that we will use W3 schools for this. Okay, go to W3 schools. The first course is HTML and CSS. So we will start learning HTML. Okay, let's start from here. HTML is the standard markup language for the web pages. With HTML you can create your own website. HTML is easy to learn, you will enjoy it. So definitely we will enjoy doing HTML. This HTML tutorial contains hundreds of HTML examples. Obviously they have provided hundreds of HTML examples in their website. In this website, this is also creativity of HTML plus CSS with JavaScript, Bootstrap and all the different languages used to build a website, complete responsive website for both desktops, tablets and mobile devices. And these are the main topics in HTML. All these on the left side, that's I'm scrolling, and it will end here in the keyboard shortcuts. But we will just do some basic things like I think we should reduce the video size in this first lecture because you guys are not fully prepared, and if you are fully prepared you may consider it yourself and go through it by your own. I would like the basic purpose of mine is that I would try to give you a startup in this video so that you can carry on and start learning with fun. Here is the first example, and this is some sort of coding that you may not understand if you are at the first time in HTML. Let's try it yourself. Let's do it. Look, this is heading, this is a paragraph, this is the output, and this is the coding behind it. How we do this coding? Like if I say paragraph, this is not a paragraph. If I clicked on run, and look, this is saying that this is not a paragraph, the same output as I put it in the coding here. So this was the first coding that we are trying. They are actually saying that click on the try it yourself button to see how it works. Start learning HTML now. So click on it. Here is the introduction. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements are represented by tags. HTML tags labels pieces of content such as heading, paragraphs, tables and so on. Browsers do not display the HTML tags but use them to render the content of the page. A simple HTML document. This is a simple HTML document used in this coding, so you can use it, try at your own. So So this is all about we are doing it on the web. But what if we try to do this at our personal computer without the internet? We should try to copy this code. Just copy it here. You must have a software IDE brackets .io. Write it in your browser and a new window will be open like this. Just first search for brackets.io, brackets. I will also provide the link in the description so you guys can download this very easily. Due to some internet issue, it was not opening. So here you have to click on here, download brackets 1.14.1. any new version you have to download this. After downloading, you have to open brackets. It will be like this when you will open brackets. It will be like this. This is brackets. First of all, we will click on first new. You can also create a file like here on your desktop with the name index.html. Here is the file on your desktop. So we would like to open it with brackets. When I open this in the brackets, I have to go to file, open. I'm just going to tell you that how it will behave, how the coding works. Here is the file index.html I have just created. Double click on it and it's here. So first of all, you have to click on your this binocular on the right side of your this is basically extensions manager. Click on it, search for skeleton, HTML skeleton, HTML skeleton. I think the spells are wrong. Of skeleton is skeleton, no matches. Here it was right. I was right at the first time. HTML skeleton. Install this. It will take some seconds to install. It's basically a shortcut to doing coding. You can also do the coding without this skeleton, but it will help you a lot when you will be a professional coder. It's very fun to do coding at your home and saying that now writing some code for some professional websites or for some companies, professional companies. They hire you and you do work freelancing at your home. It will really give you a player. Okay, this is just, let me come back when this is completed. Here we are back and it's installed successfully. The HTML skeleton. Okay, we also have to install another thing like Emmet. Emmet is basically high-speed HTML and CSS workflow. We also have to wait for it, so I must go to pause. Oops, installation failed. So let it close here, and it was just a review. We have copied a code from the website later. We'll paste it here. Here it was the code. So Let it test here on your local environment of your PC. This is a live preview button. Chrome's terms of services are changing March 31. Okay, we don't have any problem with it. Here's the live preview. It's not doing anything. Let it done again. This is the live preview. I don't know what's wrong with it. Why it's not showing anything? Oh, XAMPP is running. Close the XAMPP and now we will start it again. Hope this time it will work. Live preview was cancelled for unknown detached render process gone. Let me do this one time again. Okay, this is not doing anything. Close it first. Don't save. I would like to open it with brackets. Actually, we have to save something before going to preview. So I have saved it and now I will preview it, because if you haven't saved anything they will never going to show you the preview. So this is the preview of what we have written in the code. This was written in the code and this was the output, just same like that on the website we have here. Try it yourself. Look, this was the code and this was the output, same like on our local system. We have this. Without internet you will get this output. How it's possible, how everything is working, we will get to know about it later, but first of all we are going to get the introduction of HTML. These are the tags. So first they will after then actually the things. HTML tags are elements names surrounded by angle brackets. Don't worry about that, what we are going to learn or where we are going. I'm not going to mix up everything for you, because I just want to put you guys on the right track where you will find the lovely web development courses for yourself, that how to go through all these steps, and you one day you will get all the knowledge about web development, front end and back end, from HTML, PHP and everything. Okay, after HTML structure, web browser, and this is web browser. This was something that I have got in editor for you guys. HTML was started in 1989 by Tim Berners-Lee, invented WWD, and then in 1990 till Berners-Lee invented HTML, and then HTML plus, HTML 2.0, 3.2. Actually a lot of things got changes in the versions, so they gave it the name of versions, and now it's running HTML 5.2. but this tutorial follows the latest version of HTML5. Okay, on HTML editors we have Notepad C, PC, OpenText Edit, in which we, like on Notepad, if we write this code, we have a proper procedure so that we can save this file with the name HTML, just like I have done. Look, they have saved the file with HTML, and when they double clicked it, it will open like this. Okay, HTML basics. We will cover this one basics today. Don't worry if these examples use tags you have not learned. You will learn about them in the next chapters. That's what I was saying to you. They have already told you that don't worry about if you are not getting anything. HTML documents. All HTML documents must start with the document type declaration doc type HTML. The HTML document itself begins with HTML and ends with HTML/HTML. The visible part of HTML document is between body and body/body. Okay, these are the tags. The opening tag, we call this body, this first body as the opening tag, and this last slash body as a closing tag. Here is another example we have tried before. HTML headings. HTML headings are defined with the h1 to h6 tags. What are these headings? How we use this? We will learn it here. Actually, we are going very fast, so don't worry about it. Let me give you one example of headings in this chapter, and then we will close this lecture here, and we will further go through these lectures in the next videos I will make for you guys. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on bell icon for latest videos of SN Ali official. If you go through to YouTube and write youtube.com/SN Ali Awan, you will come on my channel, and you will get all the videos about HTML to PHP time by time. So if we try this code in our local IDE, like this brackets, don't forget to save this, because before I haven't saved and I was not getting the preview. Control S is the save command, and the file is saved now. And clicked on this is a basically live preview in the brackets. If you clicked on this button, it will give you a preview of this code, the output of this code. I have clicked on this and it will give us the preview. Here is the preview. Look, heading 1 is a very big heading. This is doc type HTML starting of code. Then we'll start HTML, then body. This is a little bit very confusing. Let me tell you how we can write it very easily. Just go to your this one. This is basically, we have already installed HTML skeleton, and it appears here like this, the extension of HTML skeleton. When we clicked on it, we'll get all this. Just click on basic HTML skeleton and click on done. It will it will write the code here for us. Just delete these basic things from it. As we read before, that all the content goes to body, so we will copy the code of this body into that body of brackets. We will paste it here, and now we will save it with Control S. You can also save it here on clicking on save, then get the preview, live preview. This is the preview. Here, look, we have got this preview. Actually, the heading 1 means the large one heading, the bigger heading or the bigger font size is H2 is a little bit smaller, H3 is also smaller than second one, H4 is also smaller than third one, fifth is smaller than fourth one, and sixth is the last heading style in HTML, then fifth one. These are the 6 headings we use in HTML. Okay guys, this was a very big video for you on HTML basics. We will make around about 6 to 7 videos on the HTML course, and then the HTML will be finished. Please subscribe my channel and recommend it to your friends so that I can also make more videos easily for you guys. Thank you so much for your great and precious time. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.